Exercise 12-11. The outstanding share capital of Shang Inc. includes 43,000 shares of $9.60 cumulative preferred and 78,000 common shares, all issued during the first year of operations. During its first 4 years of operations, the company declared and paid the following amount in dividends. Determine the total dividends paid in each year to each class of shareholders. Also determine the total dividends paid to each class over the 4 years. All right, so in 2018 there was nothing, so there's nothing paid to anybody. In 2019 there was a dividend declared, so first it goes to the preferred shareholders. 43,000 shares are outstanding, and each of those shares gets $9.60 each. So that amounts to $412,800. That's the maximum that's what they're entitled to get. So of that 440, first of all, the dividend, it's cumulative, so the dividend wasn't paid in 2018, so they are owed $412,800 from the arrears from the prior year that wasn't declared and paid. Then any balance, because there's not enough to pay the full current year dividend, so the balance goes towards the full year, and nothing goes to the common shareholders. In 2020, there was over $1 million declared. Let me scroll up. So, first of all, they have to go back and pay any arrears to the preferred shareholders. So they were supposed to get $412,800. They only got $27,200. So that balance gets paid to them first. Then their current year dividend of $412,000 gets paid. After that, any balance from that $1,058,000 gets paid to common shareholders. In 2021, again, preferred shareholders get paid first, but now they're paid up to date. There are no arrears. So now they get paid just the $412,800, and all of the remainder goes to the common shareholders. Then you can just total up the 4 years what they each received. Yeah, so that's it for that question.